This is the tutorial video of HDSmartIPC APP. First, turn on the device by pressing the on-off button or on-off switch. Then go to the setting. We will see the device's Wi-Fi signal in around 1 minute. Here, start with AI. It will be same as the device QR code. Click the signal to connect. When the Wi-Fi symbol here appears, we can go to the app. Go to the app and release to refresh. The item will be automatically added to the app. It is online now. This is the P2P mode. We can go inside and check the video. Then let's go to the Wi-Fi setting to set this camera online. Click the gear symbol in the end. Choose device setting. Choose Wi-Fi. Select the local Wi-Fi 2.4 GB. Input password. Press OK. Device is now reboot. Wait around 1 minute. The device will be rebooted and restarted. Then we can see it online again. Now we can see the camera end with T6K is online now. We can see the live video. This means this device has been connected to Wi-Fi. Then you can do a live streaming video all over the world, in any place. Also in the live video page, we can do a snapshot by here, a recording. And in the device setting, you can also set motion detect. There is low, medium, and high sensitivity. That's all. Thank you.